On this video today, I'm going to show you a very powerful strategy that you can use to make up to $300 per day on Digistore24. With this particular method, you are not required to buy any traffic, everything is free and you don't need any skills to use this method. The best part is that you can do it wherever you are in the world. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop to make money with this particular strategy. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your free Digistore24 accounts. Once you create and log in, what you have to do is that you have to find a product to promote. To find a product, you have to just come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find varieties of products that you can promote. Once you click on marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. You can just come to this side and select any category that you want. Once you select a category, you can get a lot of different digital products that you can promote to make money on Digistore24. So as I scroll, you can see different categories that you can just click on to find a product to promote. You can see a whole lot of them, many of them. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be promoting this product right here, Metricord. This product is ranking number 1 in terms of sales on this platform. You can see the sales rank is number 1. So this is the product that is getting a lot of sales on this platform. When you come here, you can see the commission rate is 85%. So anytime you get a sale, you are going to be earning 85% of the price. You can see you are going to be earning $148 per every sale that you get. So the commission rate is good. If you are able to get up to 2 sales, you can be making up to $296. If you don't want this one, you can just scroll down. There's another one right here, Keto Meal Plan. You can also promote this product. You can see the commission rate is 85%. In terms of money, you are going to be earning $26.18. You can see it right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to promote this one. To promote the product, you have to just come right here, click on sales page so that you can look at the landing page of the product. So just click on it. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, this is a video that your potential visitor has to watch before they decide to buy the product. So you can just click on it, watch the video and get to know much about the product. Once you get to know more about it, you can answer any question that your potential visitor or your customer may ask about this product. So once you are able to answer the questions, they are going to trust you and then make a purchase for you to earn money on Digistore24. So now that we know some basic information about the product, the next thing is that we are going to promote it so that we can get people to buy it for us to make money. To promote it, you are going to come right here, just copy your link. So the next thing is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click through this particular link, your affiliate link, and then buy the product for you to earn money on Digistore24. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is very powerful. You can see it gets up to 24.2 million visits every month. So this is a huge traffic source that we are going to be using to promote the product. So if you are able to implement the steps that I'm going to show you, you can be getting a lot of clicks per day and you are going to get a lot of them to buy the product for you to earn money on Digistore24. You can see right here the traffic source of this particular website. 20.27% of the people who visit the website are from the United States. You can see 17.56% are from France, 9.90% are from Germany. You can see 7.22% are from UK, 5.98% are from Canada. So it means the traffic on this website is of high quality because all these countries are tier 1 countries. So you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product. So once you promote your link on this website, you are going to get clicks, and the people who click through your link, they can make a purchase for you to earn money. The website that we are going to be using today is Odyssey.com. So you can see the name right here, Odyssey.com. So what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for an account. This website is a video sharing website. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be sharing videos about the product that we are promoting so that we can get people to watch the video. Once they watch the video, they can take action on a link that we are going to be promoting under the description of our video. So once they click on it, they can take the necessary action for us to make money. To get free videos, what you have to do is that you have to go on YouTube. You can also create your own videos and then say anything good about the product. Once you say it, you can just upload it onto this platform so that you can get people to watch it and then take the necessary action. So in this case, I'm going to be using YouTube videos. Once you come on YouTube, what you have to do is that you have to search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, you are going to add something like review so that you can get reviews of the product. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for the name of the product plus review. So just come here, you say Metricord review. Once you search for Metricord review, you can see different videos about the product. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to filter this video so that you can use them for free without any copyright strike. So what you have to do is that just click on filters. Once you click on filters, you are going to select Creative Commons. Videos that are licensed by Creative Commons, you can use them for free without any copyright strike. So just click on it so that you can filter those videos. Once you filter by Creative Commons videos, you can see a whole lot of different videos that you can use for free without any copyright strike. As a school, you can see many of them that you can use for free. These are reviews of the product, so you can just download any of them and use it for free. You are not going to get any copyright strike because they are licensed by Creative Commons. So just click on any video that you want to download. Once you click on the video, you're going to see a page like this. Just click on shares. Once you click on that, just copy your link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come to this website, whitemate.com. Once you are here, just paste your link right here so that you can download the video. Once you paste your link, you can see it has generated the video right here. You can download in any resolution that you want. So just click right here so that you can download the video. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, download MP4, so that you can download the video onto your PC. Once you download the video, you are going to come back to odyssey.com. Once you create your accounts and login, just click right here so that you can upload the video onto this platform. So just click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to see a page like this. Click on browse. Once you click on browse, select your video and then click on open so that it will be uploaded right here. Once you upload the video, you can see this is the title. If you don't want this title, you can just change it and then type the title that you want. So once you have your title, the next thing is that you are going to write a simple description about your video. So this is where you are going to be promoting your affiliate link. As you can see, this is my simple description. You can see Meticore is a weight loss supplement that helps to burn stubborn fat in the body. Click this link to learn more about it. So this is where you're going to paste your affiliate link so that any of the viewers who read this particular description, they can click through your affiliate link and then view the product. If they like it, they are going to purchase it for you to make money. So you are going to come back to Digistore24 so that you can get your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. So just highlight it and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to use bit.ly so that you can shorten the link. So just search for bit.ly.com. Once you search for bit.ly.com, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste your link right here so that you can shorten it. Once you paste your link here, click on shorten and your link is going to be shortened. You can see it has been shortened. This is now a nice link that you can share. So just click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your video and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to add a thumbnail to your video so that it can attract people to click through and then watch it. So what you have to do is that you have to come back to the video that you downloaded on YouTube. Once you come back, you are going to click on copy so that you can copy the link of the video. Once you copy the link, you are going to search for this particular website, YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste your link here so that you can download the thumbnail of the video. Once you paste your link, the thumbnail is going to be generated right here. As you can see, they don't have a full HD, so you are going to scroll down. You can see they have a medium size and a small size. So just click right here, download, so that you can download the medium size. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just right click on save images so that you can save the image onto your PC. Once you have a thumbnail of the video, you are going to come right here, click on browse so that you can upload your thumbnail. As you can see, this is the thumbnail of the video. The next thing is that you are going to add tags to it so that this particular website will know what your video is about. So right here, we are going to type weight loss. Once you type weight loss, you can see there's a matching here. Just click on it so that it will be added. It has been added right here. As you can see, these are my tags. You can see weight loss, fat, lose fat, health and fitness. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see you're going to select the video language. You can also select the license. You can just click on it, select the license that you want. You can see Creative Commons. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can just select any of them. I don't want to select any license. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see it's free. We don't want people to pay before they view our video. We want them to watch it for free, so just leave it free. Once that is done, you are going to leave everything at a default and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to see something like this, confirm. So you are going to confirm it so that it will go live onto the platform. So just click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can see it is currently uploading right here. You can see it right here. So it is going to upload within some few minutes. Once your video finishes uploading, you are going to see a page like this. You can see success. So you can just click right here, view my upload, so that you can view the video. Just click on it. so that you can see how the video is going to look like on this particular platform. Once you click to watch your video, you can see this is how it looks like. So let me scroll down for you to see. As I scroll down, you can see this is your affiliate link. So anytime people watch the video, there is a call to action in it, so they are going to check the description. Once they check it, they are going to just click on this particular link so that they can be directed to the product that you are promoting. So once they see the product, those who like it, they can make a purchase for you to earn money on Digistore24. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.